Business functions. Remember, help. If you see someone drowning, will you hesitate to save the person? But how will you save the person if you don't know how to swim? Let's introspect. Customer is drowning because he doesn't know. First, his exact business problems. Number one, solutions for his business problems. As a consultant, I should definitely know. First, customer's exact business problems. Number two, tell the solution is that strategies and frameworks. Know customer's exact business problem. Step 1, by knowing the business functions. Step 2, asking the right questions to drive the right problem. Step 3, listening to customers' business problems. Step 4, match the problem with the right business function. Problems. Businessman. Find the right flow. Find the right flow. Identify need. Know business functions. Enter right keywords. Business functions at a glance. Functions: human resources, finance, business development, marketing, operations, commercial, information technology. Example: function and stages in HR. HR manager, internal needs, recruiter, staffing, employee retentions, policy, compensation, payroll and benefits, training, professional development, health and safety, compliance. Our content bifurcation, business functions, others. Our content bifurcation, business functions, 13 business functions, other, self improvement, skills, strategical frameworks, career planning, startup, solopreneurship. Business functions 13, other functions 6, 21st century skills, career planning, leadership building, leadership funnel, personal finance, startups, solopreneurship, business expansion, strategies to expand my business, increase profit, business reach, geographical expansion, number of customers, turnover, business performer, cost reduction, strategic alliance. Business processes and operations. Operations, day-to-day work, management, manufacturing process has a high product defect rate that leads to higher cost of production. This can be managed by zero defect manufacturing, maker checker model, and delegate. Includes how to review performance, process step by step strategy to accomplish a task. 2. Conduct meetings, performance review, organize a unorganized business. Business strategy, how to achieve your business goals, how to create monopoly, how to run a family business professionally, how to introduce innovation in business, which industry to invest in India, business tips to bounce back after Corona, how to convert a loss-making business to profit-making business, SWOT analysis, how to find future threats of your business and devise solutions for the same. Customer service, how to build a strong customer relationship, how to calculate NPS, promoter 9 and 10%, detractor percent 1 to 6, 7 and 8 passive, handle customer complaints, make him a brand advocates, how to improve customer experience, loyal customer, wow customer experience. E-commerce, how to start a profitable e-commerce business, importance of creating a website, understand ways to run an e-commerce business, know about the technologies needed to start your online store. Finance, how to clear stock, how to reduce cost of running a business, how to maintain cash in the business, how to invest business money wisely. Working capital is fixed खर्चा to run the business. Assets to को liability बनाने से कैसे रोक, how to improve profitability. Working capital, receivables, cash, finished goods inventory, raw materials inventory. Fundraising, ways to get funds from the market, बिजनेस को कितना लोन लेना चाहिए, कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन कैसे बढ़ाएं, हाउ टू पिच एन आइडिया टू एन इन्वेस्टर, हाउ टू मेक अ पिच डेक फॉर एन इन्वेस्टर, व्हाट इन्वेस्टर्स सी इन अ बिजनेस बिफोर इन्वेस्टिंग. HR and people management, employee retention, hiring, motivation of employee, succession planning, ensure efficiency in WFH, improve employee performance, how to make incentives, define matrices to measure employees, legal, how to make agreements like non-completing agreement, non-disclosure agreement, exclusivity agreement like CP. If you are running a business on license, then know how to make a license agreement, trademark registration, marketing, freemium model to attract more customer, brand creation of the product, low cost marketing से सेल कैसे बढ़ाएं, i.e. flash sale and co-development, Xiaomi examples, reducing cost of customer acquisition, low cost customer acquisition technique, i.e. viral content, क्रिया, मार्केट रिसर्च कैसे करते हैं, नॉन कस्टमर को कस्टमर कैसे बनाएं, पर्सनल ब्रांड कैसे क्रिएट करें, रिटेल मतलब फिजिकल दुकान, हाउ टू स्केल योर रिटेल बिजनेस 1 से 10, रिटेल बिजनेस में कंपटीशन को कैसे हैंडल करें, न्यू कस्टमर्स कैसे ढूंढें, सेल्स 100 strategies to sell by Vivek Sir, world's largest sales training webinar on BB app, sales closing techniques, sales strategies, English to grow sales, social media digital marketing, how to make communication calendar for social media, build brand visibility through influencer marketing, email marketing, LinkedIn पे नेटवर्क कैसे बढ़ाएं, सोशल मीडिया के लिए क्रिएटिव्स कैसे बनाएं, सोशल मीडिया से लीड्स कैसे जनरेट करें, 21st century skills designed to give the skills of 21st century skills. These are needed to survive and thrive in a complex and connected world by learning. How top companies hire Amul, Thyrocare, Patanjali, Agrawal Packers and Movers. Time management, how to choose the right job, how to create CV, how to start your business journey, stress management, improve productivity through time management. Career planning, learn about new job roles, how to become an entrepreneur, prepare for entrance exam, first 90 days in job, how to find an internship, leadership building, how to handle tough situations, actions and reaction, how to become an effective leader, 4-point leadership frameworks, leadership funnel, 25 frameworks and strategies to help you overcome any business problem with the help of insight generating questions that tell how to set goals, how to track your goal achievement, set milestones, personal finance, पैसिव इनकम कैसे जनरेट करते हैं, सेविंग को वेल्थ में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट कैसे हो सकते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट के राइट डिसीजंस कैसे ले सकते हैं, स्टार्टअप्स, सोलोप्रेन्योरशिप, how to start export import business, food business, form a new company, find new business ideas, how to convert an idea to your dream business, skills required for a startup, overcome fear of failure, freelance business को कैसे शुरू करें, how to convert your passion into a business, suggest solution. Step 1, open consulting Sarthi tool. Or step 2, search the cue card with the right keyword. Step 3, review the key outcomes of the cue card. Step 4, pick the cue card which matches the most with the customer's problem. Step 5, go for it. Consulting Sarthi tool 1 app. Consulting Sarthi. Click on Consulting Sarthi. Enter keyword of burning problem, post profiling and need analysis. Example, customer कैसे लाएं. Here we get the relevant solution against the entered keyword for burning problem with pitch card. Use this pitch card to make your call more effective. Click on Consulting Sarthi. Consulting Sarthi tool on 1 app. Click on Premium model to attract. Click on Now. Enter 10 digits registered mobile number. Link of relevant solution video shared with the customer. Customer can watch the video till nudge movement on Bada Business mobile application. Lead generation 1 app. Click on Create Lead. Select customer type, digital product, IBC. Enter customer's details, name, mail ID, mobile number, PIN code. Consulting Saarthi tool 1 app. Click on create lead. Consulting Saarthi tool links, tax links, form link. Offers, lead lao, lead badhao, lead chadhao. 1 lead, 1 point on 1 app, 50 points, 1 PSC. Top 50 IBCs will become lead banao, lead chadhao, brand ambassador, subject to minimum 500 leads. Offers. Number 2. Consulting Saarthi uses minimum leads 50 on 1 app. Top 20 IBC will get BB merchandising, T-shirts, mug, card holder. Offers. 3. Sales count. Minimum 3 sales using CS will get LTM. Send testimonials with 1 sale. Top 10 IBCs will get a chance to shoot video with our very own Sunil sir. चलो अब काम करते हैं दोस्तों. Have requested data from Parshav sir on leads created by IBCs on 1 app. Channel KC VBO not available. 3% not available. Have requested data from Parshav sir on leads created by IBCs on 1 app. Plan. Lead lao, lead बढ़ाओ, lead चढ़ाओ. Number 1. गल्ला खोलो और बैठ जाओ. Number 1. कंसल्टिंग सारथी का सही इस्तेमाल करो. Plan. लीड बनाओ. Number 1. Complete the lead generation kit by creating suggested videos. Number 2. Facilitating session by SMEs like Abhi Arya. Number 3. Facilitating a course by Somnath sir on how to create leads for IBC short videos. Course outline to be shared by 2nd December 2021. Video shoot to start from 3rd December 2021. Hand over the lead generation kit to the channel for further implementation. Review impact on leads. Conduct TNI by check increase leads in 1 app. Training revisit the IBC with less or no improvement. Plan. Number 1. गल्ला खोलो बैठ जाओ. Work on 70:30 अनुपात 10:1 principle. Train the KC and channel team on how to achieve 70:30:10:1 via scripts. Train the KC on data uses and visibility before they open Galla for the next day, i.e. lead square disposition analysis, planning the calls basis. Train the KC and channel on scripts. Hand over the Galla Kholo kit to the channel KC trainer for further implementation. Review impact on connected calls and conversion. Plan. Number 1. Enhance consulting Saarthi uses. Training metrics. Number 1. Delivery mechanism. Number 1. Training content, training duration, coverage plan for KC and IBCs. Number 1. ZM.